I purchased this 4-pack 8mm flange connector for do-it-yourself, and it's very high quality. I love it. Its price was very reasonable. It's exactly as I hoped it would be. Everything's very well finished. They each have 2 screw sets, and here's some still in the package. The other ones I've put into my project, and I will show you how I've used them so far. There we go. I'm connecting this 8mm rod to this 1/2 inch piece of aluminum, and those are number 6 bolts and nuts. That's what works. Number 8 doesn't, but number 6 does. It works perfectly. It's extremely tight. Everything is like a one solid piece. I'm very pleased with this order. I'm going to be using these in the future on other projects, and I just couldn't be more pleased with the quality of this product.